In 2015, a gang of pensioners pulled off one of Britain's biggest heists. The Hatton Garden safe deposit vault was supposed to be unbreakable. Reinforced concrete walls, state-of-the-art alarms, maximum security. But the Diamond Wheezers had a different plan. These weren't your typical criminals. The youngest was 60. The oldest, Brian Reeder, was 76 years old. Over Easter weekend, while London slept, they went to work. They spent months watching, learning the building, timing the guards. Then they brought in heavy drilling equipment and bored straight through the concrete vault wall. 73 safety deposit boxes, 14 million pounds in diamonds, gold, and cash, all gone in one weekend. The perfect crime executed by grandparents. But their age worked against them too. They couldn't resist bragging about their success. Police had bugged their phones and recorded every word. CCTV footage caught their faces. Phone records tracked their movements. The Diamond Wheezers proved that experience beats youth, but loose lips sink ships.